Okay.
A powerful and dangerous snowstorm swept across Canada, bringing extreme winter conditions that paralyzed cities and rural areas alike. Heavy snowfall combined with strong winds created whiteout conditions, making visibility nearly impossible on highways and local roads. Temperatures dropped far below freezing, turning the storm into a life-threatening event for residents caught outdoors. Emergency services issued urgent warnings as the storm intensified, urging people to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. As the snowstorm strengthened, major provinces experienced widespread disruptions. Airports across Canada were forced to cancel or delay hundreds of flights as runways became buried under thick layers of snow and ice. Public transportation systems struggled to operate, while power lines collapsed under the weight of accumulated snow, causing large-scale power outages.
But the real mystery was her irritated skin. So we switched to Concrete and Gentle. It cleans better and doesn't leave behind irritating residue.
Many communities found themselves isolated as road networks were blocked by drifting snow. The extreme weather conditions had a severe impact on daily life and the economy. Schools and businesses were closed for several days, and supply chains were disrupted due to impassable roads. Snowplows worked non-stop, but relentless snowfall and high winds made recovery efforts difficult. Meteorologists described the storm as one of the most dangerous winter events in recent years, fueled by Arctic air masses colliding with moist systems. Despite the destruction, Canadians showed resilience and solidarity during the crisis. Emergency shelters were opened to protect vulnerable populations, and neighbors helped each other clear snow and share resources. Authorities warned that climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of such extreme winter storms, making preparedness more important than ever. The Canadian snowstorm serves as a powerful reminder of nature's force and the need for caution during severe winter weather.
But the real mystery was her irritated skin. So we switched to time free and gently. It cleans better and doesn't leave behind irritating residue.